So we'll start with the head. Move your head slowly up and down 4 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move sideways. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Now shoulder, rotate your shoulder backwards 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now change. Swing your arms up and down. Elbow should be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now sideways. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now arm rotation 10 times forward. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now opposite direction 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Now watch. Same hand, same leg. Turn sideways. Go. 1, 2, 3, 6 times. 4, 5, and 6. Now change both arms together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 4, 5, last one, and 6. Okay, now hip rotation. Move your hip slowly up and down, forward and backwards. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now sideways. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now hip rotation backwards 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now in front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So next we'll stretch out quadricep and hamstring muscles. So hold your knee close to the chest. Just hold 1 second. Hold and drop. Change. 1 more round, same thing. Cool. Now backward. 1. Change other side. And backward. Super. Now just keep your legs wide. Now stretch your adductor muscles. Stretch slowly. Focus on inner thigh muscles. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So now what you do is leg swings. See, either you can take a support of wall or any object, or you can just balance on one leg and swing your legs forward and backwards. Your upper body should not move. Just start swinging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now stretch your arms maximum up. Keep stretching. Cool. Now slowly sideways. Now change other side. Now without bending your knees, try to touch the floor. Okay. Now same way, keep your legs wide. Okay. Now stretch your arms forward from one leg to other leg. Try to do 5 times. Okay. 5 rounds. Here we go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Now finally comes your angle. Just 5 seconds. Rotate your angle forward. Clockwise 5 times. 3, 2, 1. Now change anti-clockwise. Now switch other leg. 3, 2, 1. Opposite side. 3, 2, 1. Okay, done.